So hello friends, I am Neeraj. In this session we will perform some mathematical computations in Go. So in order to perform some mathematical computations, so we will need two values. So let us create two variables x and y. So the value of x would be, let's say, 5, and the value of y would be, let's say, 3. And we will create some variables so that we can store the computations. So some would be x plus y, and similarly we will have subs equals x minus y, and we will have, let's say, multiply, so that would be x multiplied by y, and similarly we will have division, so x divided by y. And there is one more operation that is called mod operations, so we will also have x mod y. And since we have declared the variable, so we have to use it. So we will print the values using format package. So fmt print line, we will say add operation of x and y equal to sum, and we will just duplicate it out a few times. So we will replace the subtraction. Here we will say multiplication. Here we will say division, and here we will say mod operation. And we will also say replace the variables appropriately. It would be multi, it would be division, it would be mod 1. Let's save it and now try to run this program. Go run main.go. So yes, so we are getting the outputs as expected, and we can perform this all this mathematical computations, so not only on the integers, rather we can perform this computations on the floats value as well. So let us convert these values into this integer into floats. This is very simple. So 5 point, let's say 3, and this would be 3 point, let's say 8. Now they are floats. So however, there is a one red error message is there, and it is saying that basically this mod operation can be performed on the integers, and the variable x is basically a float. So what we can do is, so first let us try to run it. So errors are basically our friends, and they tells a lot basically about what went wrong. So this is saying the operation is, this mod operation is an invalid one because x is a float 64. So what we can do is we can convert these values into integers. So in converting this, very simple. So all we have to do is use the int method, int like this, and for y also, since x is an integer, has become the integer, so we can perform operations on the same types. So something like this, cause mod is not allowed on the floats. Now if we try to run it, so yes, everything is performing well. And by the way, what is happening here is, so this is very simple. So this is basically, when we write int in parenthesis x, so basically this is leaving this fraction part, and it is taking only the whole number part. So this is how the actual when we wrote this line, this line got executed. So actually it got executed upon 5 mod 3 instead of 5.3 mod 3.8. So this is very simple, and so that's all for this session. So I'll see you in some other session. Till then, take care and happy coding.